Good afternoon everyone. So now our next topic is impossibility of electron being in the nucleus as a consequence of the uncertainty principle. This means what? In general, as of now I have told you that all the electrons are revolving around the nucleus. For example, here it is a nucleus which consisting of a positive charge, and next electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Okay, the electrons are revolving around the nucleus, but not electrons are existing inside of the nucleus. Why? Okay, is there any question for anybody that why electrons are not existing inside of the nucleus? Even protons and neutrons both are existing inside of the nucleus, but why can't electrons are existing inside of the nucleus? Why electrons are revolving around the nucleus, not inside of the nucleus? Okay, Nana. So the electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Who proves this? According to Heisenberg uncertainty principle. According to Heisenberg uncertainty principle, he proved that the electrons are not existing inside of the nucleus because the nuclear radius, here see the radius of the nucleus is very small when compared to the electron. The radius of the nucleus is, for example, according to Heisenberg, the radius of the nucleus is 5 into 10 to the power of minus 15 meters. Okay, the radius or size of the nucleus is very small when compared to the electron. That is why the electrons are not existing inside of the nucleus. So if you want to understand very clearly, so let us discuss something, that is, for example, the size of the nucleus is what already I told you. What is the size of the nucleus? Size of the nucleus is in the order of femtometers. In the order of femtometer, it can also written as FM or femtometer. 1 femtometer is equals to 10 to the power of minus 15 meters. Okay, now size of the atom. What is the size of the atom? The size of the atom is in the order of 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. Which one is greater? The size of the atom is greater. Now according to uncertainty principle, the uncertainty is measuring position of electron in the order of 10 to the power of minus 15. Okay, uncertainty, if I want to measure the uncertainty in the position of electron, what will happen? Position of the electron in the order of 10 to the power of minus 15 meters. So in that case, according to Heisenberg principle, there is a principle, that is delta x into delta p is greater than or is equals to h cross by 2. This is what Heisenberg uncertainty principle. X means what? Position. P means what? Momentum. Okay, position and momentum. The product of the position and momentum is greater than or equal to h cross by 2. Okay, now I am going to take delta x to right hand side. That is I want to calculate the position. I want to calculate the momentum. Okay, I am already having the position of the electron in the order of 10 to the power of minus 15. Okay, now I would like to substitute the value of the position in this equation. Then I will get the value of the momentum. Okay, so delta p is greater than or equal to, already I told you h cross is equals to h by 2 pi. Now substitute h by 4 pi into delta x. So what is the value of delta x? Delta x value is 5 into 10 to the power of minus 15 meters. Delta x value. Substitute all these values in above equation. Delta p is greater than or equals to, h means Planck's constant 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 by 4 into 3.14 into delta x, 5 into 10 to the power of minus 15. If you calculate this entire value in the calculator, you will get delta p is greater than or equal to 1.06 into 10 to the power of minus 20. So what are the units here? The units are kg meter per second. Kg meter per second, because here it is a position. Okay, position means what? Meter. Here the position units, here the entire value is momentum. Momentum means mass into velocity. Mass means kilograms, velocity means meter per second. So that is why the units are kg meter per second. Delta P is greater than or is equals to 1.06 into 10 to the power of minus 20. Now in general, what is the energy of the electron? According to special theory of relativity, what is the energy of the electron? Energy of the electron is E square is equals to P square C square plus m naught square C power 4. Okay, this is what the energy of the electron. If you take square, if you square root on both sides, then what will the equation? Take square to the right hand side, that is E is equals to under root P square C square plus m naught square C power 4. Okay, I am differentiating the above equation. That is okay. Now I would like to take the uncertainty value. Uncertainty means delta E is equals to here energy uncertainty and again under root delta P square C square plus m naught square C power 4. Okay, now already you know the uncertainty, that is uncertainty in the position value is this. So substitute it, that is 1.06 into 10 to the power of minus 20 whole square. What is the value of C? C is the velocity of light, 3 into 10 to the power of 8 square plus rest mass energy. M naught value is rest mass of the electron, that is 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kg. Substitute it, 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 square into 3 into 10 to the power of 8 whole to the power of 4. 3 into 10 to the power of 8 whole to the power of 4. Now this is under root. Now finally what is the value? What is this value? If you calculate entire in the calculator, then you will get, and the value is what, Nana? 19.8 into 10 to the power of 6 electron volts. It is uncertainty delta E. This is what, Nana? Greater than or is equals to, delta E is greater than or is equals to 19.8 into 10 to the power of 6 mega electron volt. This is 10 to the power of 6 electron volts, right? The 10 to the power of 6 electron volts means what? 19.8 mega electron volts. 1 mega is equals to 10 to the power of 6. Here the energy of the electron, in general the energy of the electron value is 2 mega electron volt to 3 mega electron volt only. But here the nuclear, not electron, this is nucleus. The energy of the nucleus is up to approximately 2 mega electron volts to 3 mega electron volts. But what we are getting here, the energy of the electron is 19.8 mega electron volt. So this much amount of energy we can't place inside of the nucleus. So that is why the electron does not exist inside of the nucleus. Electron is having higher energy than the nucleus. So that is why the electron does not existing inside of the nucleus. So now what is uncertainty principle? Can anybody please explain? Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Heisenberg uncertainty principle means what? At any instant of time, we are calculating the position and momentum. If you want to calculate the position and momentum, so Heisenberg uncertainty principle means at a particular instant of time you can't determine the position and momentum. Okay, the position and momentum of a particle simultaneously. Either you can determine the position or you can determine the momentum, but you can't determine both particles position and momentum simultaneously. So that is what Heisenberg uncertainty principle. So for example, if a person, take a person, that person at a time can run or at a time can stand. At a time the person cannot run and stand at a time. Okay, so that is what the example for this uncertainty principle, Heisenberg uncertainty principle. That means a person can stand or a person can run at a particular point of time, but same time the person cannot run and cannot stand. Okay, thank you, Nana.